Hi, and welcome back to Workflow Mania. This time around, we're going to talk about three of the final items on the secondary navigation menu: data export, messages, and pics and files. Now, since Workflow Mania is web-based, you can use it on both a Macintosh and a PC computer. This time around, we've done our screen capture on a Mac. So if the interface looks just a slight bit different than our other videos, that's the reason why. So let's get started with data export. When you select data export from the secondary navigation menu, there are two types of data you can export: data from your tickets or customer data. And both of those files will end up being Excel compatible, so you can pull them into Microsoft Excel. So the only fields that you need to set are which data to export, ticket or customer data, and then set a start date and end date, so the tickets or customers that were added between those dates will be exported. Finally, to export the data, you click the Submit button. Then an open dialog box will appear where you can choose to open the file that you just exported using Microsoft Excel. Now, let's take a look at messages. There are two types of messages that you can work with inside Workflow Mania. The first are customer messages, and there are just two fields here. Each operates with a drop-down list. And if we take a look at the drop-down lists here, they're pretty self-explanatory. These are message triggers. And the second drop-down are send options. Once you've made your changes, click Submit. Now we're going to go to In-Store Messages. And again, you have Work Log Entry, which is a message trigger, and that's available via the drop-down list. And then you have the Message option, which is the Send option. And in this case, you get a target as well. Who does the message go to? Does it go to the entire staff, or simply to who it's assigned to? Make your changes and click Submit. Next, we'll select Pics and Files from the secondary navigation menu. This is where you can select pictures from your computer with your logo or what have you to put on the top of your receipt, a new receipt top, a receipt bottom, a new receipt bottom, and so on. It's simply a matter of clicking on the Choose File, going to the File dialog, and choosing the right picture. And then clicking Submit. Notice that there are some limitations set as far as width being 860 pixels or less. Thanks for watching, and be looking for more videos from Workflow Mania.